Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make money on Wealthy Affiliate, okay? So I've been with Wealthy Affiliate for about just over 2 years, almost 2 years and a half, and I have in 2018 made 40,000 from using Wealthy Affiliate's training. So I could show you how to make money with a Wealthy Affiliate, okay? So this is what the video is going to be about, and I'm going to get onto my laptop and show you everything I can, okay? Thanks. Here I am, back again. This is Wealthy Affiliates dashboard. I just got on here, and if I refresh my dashboard, see, this is the live chat here on the right. So you could actually get a lot of help, first of all, on Wealthy Affiliate. Um, I've never really talked about how much help you can actually get on Wealthy Affiliate, which is like a hidden gem that nobody really knows about. So when you come onto Wealthy Affiliate, you're not just learning from their training here, okay? So these are the two main courses that's available at Wealthy Affiliate. You could learn from the online entrepreneur certification. It has 5 levels, and there's 10 lessons in each, which takes you step by step into how to build your online business. Okay, so that's this is the course that you're going to take for any niche that you want to pick, any topic that you want to pick for your online business. The second course is called Affiliate Bootcamp, and it's concentrated if you want to promote Wealthy Affiliate itself, which is what I do. So this is has 7 levels, and the last 2 levels are has more than the other course because this is concentrated on paid traffic. So as you can see here, I haven't even finished because I don't use paid traffic. I've been only using free traffic. So I have generated 40K of revenue without needing to do any paid traffic or buy any ads, buy any promos or anything like that. So this is what you're going to be learning here in these 2 courses: how to build your online business and attract your own visitors for free from search engines. So let me go back to the help center here. So this is the live chat on the right, and doesn't look like it's very active at the moment, but it can get very active throughout the day, and it's open 24 hours. So because there's members from all over the world. But I want to show you this help center here. For anything technical with your sites, you're going to go into site support and ask them about how to fix anything technical with your website. If you host here, that is, if you host on Wealthy Affiliate. And then there's live chat, you can ask a question and then get answered very quickly. Or you can ask a question here, which spreads your question onto everybody's dashboard so that you get more exposure and get more opinions if you use ask a question. And then there's also private messaging for premiums if you want to have one-on-one consultation. So that's all the help that you get. And if you actually sign up sign up to Wealthy Affiliate through me, I also give extra help on top of that. Because I'm very active on the platform, so I would help all my referrals do things or teach them if they're stuck, get them over the hump. Okay, so what are you going to learn here, or how do you make money? There's going to be those 2 ways. So the first way is that you're going to use this is literally a blueprint, a path that you're going to take to build your online business with. This is so powerful what's in here, guys. So I've built my blog. So let's look at my business. WorkAnywhereNow.com is my site here. I'm apparently logged in. Hi guys, so this is my site here, and let me get rid of this ad. And so I just posted today how I made 40,000 in 2018. So this is my site. So what do I do with my site? You're going to learn how to build a site like this. You're going to learn how to write this kind of content. You're going to learn how to help the people in your niche. And that's why in these lessons, it's going to teach you how to pick a niche that you're going to like, okay? So you see this is the first level. Each level has 10 lessons. So as you go through this first level, you're going to learn how to pick your niche. So here's lesson 3, how to pick your niche. And so what you're trying to accomplish with this business is to provide content to your readers, to your visitors that come on your site. And what you're going to try to do is provide very helpful things, either to help them solve a problem or fix something, or just give them some kind of value that they can use to improve themselves in your niche. So the more of this content that you have, the more visitors you're going to attract. And the lessons in here will show you through level 1 through 5, it's going to show you exactly how to do this. So you could go through the path of this course. If you sign up for the starter membership, which everybody kind of starts out with, except for there are 10 countries that are not eligible for this free starter account. So I want to mention that right now. If you're one of those people, it just means that you cannot sign up for free and you have to go directly to premium. And why that is because those 10 countries have a high risk of fraud. And so it's to protect the community inside Wealthy Affiliate. So believe me though, so starter membership only gets you the first level, which is pretty good. Okay, so you could test it out. And actually, by the time you finish this first level, you're going to have already a brand new site on the internet live with some content on it. So with your free membership, you can get all that done, okay? But if you can't get the free membership and you're from one of those 10 countries, then you're going to have to go premium. Going premium is really ultimately what you need anyway, because you really need all 5 levels to learn how to make money building this site, okay? Now, it's not going to happen very fast because you're building an online asset here, okay? And from my experience, it's about working really hard and then getting paid for those results down the road. So the way this business works and why a lot of people quit, because they don't realize this. So I hope you are watching this video and learning that you just cannot quit that first 6 months or 3 months. You just can't quit because it takes way longer than that, okay? This is a long-term strategy and you're really building an real business that potentially just could get you 6 figures or even more. It just depends on how much work you put into it. Okay, what you learn at Wealthy Affiliate is really powerful in the sense that you are building an online asset that generates its own visitors, and there's no other better way to go at it than building this asset, because it attracts, you don't need to pay. I mean, this makes your business so profitable because you don't have to pay for ads, okay? So this is one way to achieve a full-time income if you wanted to. And to build this kind of business, you really need to work at this consistently. For this to work, you have to work on it weekly. You can't, there's so many members that come to me and ask me why they're not earning. And I look at, like, I take not even 30 seconds, look at their site, and I could tell why they're not earning. It's because they don't put enough content on their websites, okay? Content is what drives traffic. So without content, how are you going to get any traffic on your site? You can't unless you do a lot of self-promotion. But that defeats the purpose of building an online asset, right? I mean, I can go about trying to make money without the website, but guess what? It's not going to be a consistent, huge amount of money if you don't have a something that you build for free traffic. Okay, and building a blog website is one of the ways. So the other second way to make money on Wealthy Affiliate is this affiliate bootcamp, which I have used, okay, is to build a website in the affiliate marketing niche or the make money online niche, and you can then promote Wealthy Affiliate as your main product. And the strategy, like the core strategy here is the same as the other course, but this is more focused on the examples will be more about Wealthy Affiliate and how to make this your online business. So if you go through this route, the second route here, actually I have a bonus for you because I have because of my success, and I'm a super affiliate, just want to mention that real quick, because I promote Wealthy Affiliate and I can sell more than 300 sales in a calendar year, I have established the status as a super affiliate on Wealthy Affiliate, and I'm also an ambassador for almost a whole year straight. So I'm very helpful. So on the platform, that's how I get this title. But anyway, I have on my profile here this bonus training. Whoever signs up with me will get this. But you need to be premium for it, okay? You see this only for premium for this. So you can sign on as a starter, and you can listen to my first video, which is actually very important for all new members or any members trying to take this route. Okay, it's not going to be an easy route, easy path, but you know what? It is so rewarding. So let me show you my announcement here for my 2018 year in review. I made 40,000. And if you sign on, you can check out my details here. I go through and I show you everything about my website here and all what I've earned and what I'm going to be my advice to new people and how I'm going to try to make 6 figures here this year. So let's see what happens. Okay, so you could come on here and look at my income proof. And then my third way that I'm going to try to tell you how to make money on here is by doing trainings, actually. So I've only done 15 trainings, but each of these trainings that you produce on Wealthy Affiliate could earn you, I believe, $10 for the first level. So it depends on how popular your trainings are, and you get to the more people that use it, the more levels that you get to. So you get accumulated, I guess, status of each training. And for one training, you can earn about $10 for the first level. Then it jumps. No, I think $5 for the first level, then $10 for the second level. I think you can earn up to $75 for each training. Now, there's somebody recently here who is doing just that, and they've climbed up the ambassador ladder very quickly because look, he's made over 114 trainings. So times 5 or 10, so that's just another side income that you can get. And you know what? If every single one of these reached its full potential of $75, I mean that's a nice chunk of change, right? So you can actually build these trainings here and promote it all over the internet to get more views as well. So you can get your potential $75 each of these trainings, but you need to be, I think, a premium member for 3 months before you start creating a training. So that's another way. Of course, the best way is to build a full-time income is through these two training methods here, okay? These two paths are going to be your best bet because everything else is going to be very little, okay? So if you want to ask me any questions, please do so underneath this video, or you can sign on to Wealthy Affiliate with my link below this video, and you could come on my profile here. I answer questions all the time on my profile. If you go on my profile, you'll see that here. See, today I've already answered quite a few here. So I'm always talking to different people, whether they are my referral or not. So come ask me questions. I'm open for it all, okay? So I hope you take this new journey for 2019. I'm very excited for this year, and I hope you will join me. Please subscribe to my channel here and smash that the notification bell. And please like my video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.